Well, I guess I'm playing the system. Yeah, playing the system. Well, gotta do whatever I gotta do. Is that right, Tari? 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 Chichi? Pollito? 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 No te dejan comer. I cannot let you have your food. Have your food on with some peace. Sorry. Okay, so now the question is, are you gonna bite my ears or no? We'll see. Okay, well, I hope you enjoy this short clip of Tari, and me trying to get her to get close to be sitting on my shoulder. She spent a long time sitting on my finger when I took it out of the cage. And she got spooked with the Chihuahua. Chihuahua wants to get close to her as well, but she's very lively for Tari at the moment, so maybe eventually. Anyway, I hope you like this little clip. Is that right, Tari? Tari! Okay, thank you for watching.